What up guys, it's Dylan with Diverse Forward Research, and today we're going to clear brow the Civic. The section that we're going to clear brow today is this fender cut. The reason why we're clear browing it is because these are some super sticky tires. And the thing that comes along with super sticky tires is rocks getting in the tires, then flinging off the tires and hitting this right here, which I don't want to damage. So on that note, I'm going to clear brow that so I could drive the car as fast as I want and do burnouts and shit like that. I haven't been able to drive the car exactly how I want to do burnouts and all that good stuff. It needs to be clear browed first. I couldn't put any type of wrap or clear brow on the car because the clear coat needed to cure first before I did that. So now that the clear coat is all cured up, we're going to go ahead and place this clear brow on. The first few things we're going to need to clear brow this is going to be some good old water and some baby shampoo. We're going to need the clear brow right here. There's a kit that the clear brow came with, which is the microfiber towel. It also came with some scissors, razor blade, and I don't know what else, and instructions, I believe. So let's check it out. There it goes. Got a razor blade, scissors, and a squeegee, as well as a microfiber. Alright, so first we're going to get the clear brow on here and figure out how we're going to wrap it. I think I'm going to make a cut just for this section, and then another cut triangle for this bottom section down here. Get our clear brow out. I bought like a big sheet just in case. So we're going to do a rough cut, which seems like this should be enough. So get the scissors out, and we'll get it to like right here. And we'll go up here. Alright, so this is the section that we are working with right here. This has a straight edge on this bottom, so I'm going to use that bottom piece. I'm going to place that in here. And I think the best thing for me to do, honestly, is to use like a marker. So I'm going to grab a permanent pin so we can mark this up. The first step was cutting the piece to size. The next step is going to be cleaning this off because it's dirty. The instructions also say to add baby shampoo, just a drop, inside the water. So we got the baby shampoo mixed up in here. And clean this off. It's dirty. Make sure there's not any bugs or anything on it. Now, we're going to take this clear brow, we're going to mark on the plastic side. So I'll go ahead and take my marker, my Sharpie, and we will get that inside of here. Seems to be about right there. And we're going to mark where we're going to cut. It doesn't have to be perfect. About right here. You can't see it because I'm using a silver Sharpie, but yeah, we're gonna cut that out and see what it looks like. So I switched to a black Sharpie to give you guys a better visual of what's going on. Here's what we have so far, and I believe looks about right, but I'm gonna take a little bit off up here. I'm gonna follow this body line right here. Make the straightest cut I can. Down there. Oh, I got a little bit on my paint, so I'm gonna have to buff that off. All right, so here we go. That's the final cut, guys. Now that we got the cuts that we want, we're gonna go ahead and take off the backing film. We're gonna try not to touch the material. Now we're gonna spray that shampoo and get this nice and wet. That's gonna allow us to move this where we want it. You're gonna squeegee the water out, starting from the center. Might have to pull the heat gun out on this one to get this material inside these little divots. That whole big one take cut, I tried it and it was too hard to wrap it around all this right here and all this good stuff. So what I did was make a cutout that just matches what we need to be covered. So now that we got our simple cut right here, we're gonna go ahead and spray this on it. And apply this onto here. That's about where we want it. So we're gonna go ahead and get the heat gun and squeegee it into place to lock it on the car. We're gonna speed this up a bit with the heat gun. So you wanna start from the center, push it all out. The heat gun is going to help it shape to the fender cut better. You're going to keep pushing it till all the water is out. And that's pretty much it, guys. At this point, you're gonna make sure you razor blade the edges right here of any overlap. And that's all. You can barely see the clear bra on there. It looks shiny forever, but if we zoom in real close, you kind of see distinguish from here to there. But that's gonna protect us from having rock chips and all that good stuff right there. And I don't dry the car, so I'm gonna let it dry overnight. That'll assure that this bond is very strong. So my camera's dying right now, so we'll check this out in the morning, kind of go over a few things and just look at it a little bit closer. But that's it for tonight, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey, what up guys, it's Dylan with Diverse Ford Research. It's Built to Drive Media, and it is day 2. Look at this, I got my comfortable beanie on, I got my swag sweater on. But anyways, it's day 2. I wanted to show you guys the clear bra, kind of go over a few little things, why I put it on the car. Here's my client, he's at the house. One client. He like snapped all of his studs on his brand new 2019 Honda Accord. I just got done rolling the fenders on that Subi. Right there, 2.5 RS. So a lot of people think I'm not working anymore or doing this car stuff, and I actually am. I just want to take my YouTube serious, so I haven't really been posting to Instagram as much as I should or I like, but hey, it happens, I get tired, and I'm dedicating my time to YouTube videos. On here, we have the clear bra. You can kind of see the trace outline right here. I outlined that right there, and I outlined it right here to contour that, because this is where it gets the most dirtiest. I did try to put the clear bra on the whole thing and utilize it like wrap, but this thing isn't like wrap. It's very similar, but it's not like wrap. So I was having problems molding it and shaping it, and I was like, you know what, I don't feel like doing all that crazy stuff right now. So I just decided to trim it up where it best fits and lay it on the car so I could drive this motherfucker. So it's exposed right here, and it is exposed right here. Again, I might take some clear bra and lay this triangle down later, but I wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how to clear bra a car. I clear brought the car because these are some super grippy tires. They're Federal RSRRs, and these are track compound tires. And when these tires get hot, rocks stick in these things like glue, and they'd be flinging up right into the fender. So now that it's protected, I could do a smoky ass burnout for you guys. Questionable. I really don't even know if this car could do a burnout, and right now it can't do a burnout anyway because remember, my clutch master cylinder went out, so I'm getting a new clutch master cylinder. But maybe it can do a burnout. I don't know. We'll check it out. I finally got an e-brake cable for this thing. I haven't had an e-brake cable for this thing since I built the car. But anyways, that's my video on how to clear bra this car. So if you're trying to do it for the first time, I say just go for it. Take your time, buy extra material like I did, because I fucked up more than 3 times. But now that it's over with, I'm actually super satisfied with my results. So this is Dylan with Diverse Forward Researches, Built to Drive Media, and I'm checking out. I'll see you guys later. Peace.